students, good morning to all. Welcome to our online science class. In this session, we are going to discuss about the properties of sounds. All sounds that we hear are not the same. There are some properties that differentiate one kind of sound from another. First property is loudness. It is defined as the characteristic of a sound that enables us to distinguish a weak or feeble sound from a loud sound. The loudness of a sound depends on its amplitude. Higher the amplitude, louder will be the sound, and vice versa. When a drum is softly beaten, a weak sound is produced. However, when it is beaten strongly, a loud sound is produced. The unit of loudness of a sound is decibel. Next, pitch. The pitch is the characteristic of a sound that enables us to distinguish between a flat sound or a shrill sound. Higher the frequency of sound, higher will be the pitch. Higher pitch adds shrillness to a sound. The sound produced by a whistle, a bell, a flute, and a violin are high-pitched sounds. Normally, the voice of a female has a higher pitch than a male. That is why a female's voice is shriller than a male's voice. Some examples of low-pitched sound are the roar of a lion and the beating of a drum. Next, quality or timbre. The quality or timbre is the characteristic of a sound that enables us to distinguish between two sounds that have the same pitch and amplitude. For example, in an orchestra, the sounds produced by some musical instruments may have the same pitch and loudness. Here, you can distinctly identify the sound produced by each instrument. Next, audibility and range. According to the frequency, we can classify the sounds into three types. They are audible sound, infrasonic sound, ultrasonic sound. Audible sound. Sound with frequency ranging from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz is called sonic sound or audible sound. Sound with this frequency range alone can be heard by the human beings. Human ears cannot hear sounds with frequencies below 20 Hz or above 20,000 Hz. So, the above range is called as audible range of sound. Infrasonic sound. A sound with a frequency below 20 Hz is called as subsonic or infrasonic sound. Humans cannot hear the sound of this frequency, but some animals like dog, dolphin, etc. can hear. Uses of infrasonic sound are: it is employed in the Earth monitoring system and also used in the study of the mechanism of human heart. Ultrasonic sound. A sound with a frequency greater than 20,000 Hz is called as ultrasonic sound. Animals such as bats, dogs, dolphins, etc. are able to hear certain ultrasonic sounds as well. Some of the uses of ultrasonic sounds are: it is used in medical applications like sonogram, and it is used in the sonar system to detect the depth of the sea and to detect the enemy submarines. It is also employed in dishwashers. Another important applications of ultrasound is the Galden's whistle. This whistle is inaudible to the human ear, but it can be heard by the dogs. So, it is used to train the dogs for investigation. Next, musical instruments. Some sounds are pleasing to the ear and make us happy. The sound that provides a pleasing sensation to the ear is called music. Music is produced by the regular patterns of vibrations. Musical instruments are divided into four types. They are wind instruments, reed instruments, stringed instruments, and percussion instruments. Wind instruments. In a wind instrument, the sound is produced by the vibration of air in a hollow tube. The frequency is varied by changing the length of the vibrating air column. Trumpet, flute, shanai, and saxophone are some well-known wind instruments. Reed instruments. A reed instrument contains a reed. Air which is blown through the instrument causes the reed to vibrate, which in turn produces the specific sound. Examples of reed instruments include harmonium and mouth organ. Stringed instruments. Stringed instruments make use of a string or wire to produce vibrations and hence the specific sound. These instruments also have hollow boxes that amplify the sound that is produced. The frequency of a sound is varied by varying the length of the vibrating wire. For example, violin, guitar, and sitar. Percussion instruments. Percussion instruments produce a specific sound when they are struck, scraped, or clashed together. They are the oldest type of musical instruments. There is an amazing variety of percussion instruments all over the world. Percussion instruments like the drum and tabla consist of a leather membrane which is stretched across a hollow box called the resonator. When a membrane is hit, it starts vibrating and produces the sound.